We'll guide you through how to use Stripe for payments. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website on your desktop. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Click on the Start Now button and fill out your email, full name, and create a strong password. Once your account is set up, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of your payments, balances, and more. To begin accepting payments, click on Payments from the left-hand menu. Then, click on Create Payment to set up a new transaction. You'll need to enter details like the amount and currency. Next, you need to set up your payment methods. Click on Settings from the left-hand menu, and then Payment Methods. Here, you can enable credit card payments, bank transfers, and other options that suit your business. Make sure to save your settings. Now, to integrate Stripe with your website, go back to the dashboard and click on Developers in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find API keys that you can use to connect Stripe to your website or e-commerce platform. Copy these keys and paste them into the appropriate section of your website's backend. This allows your site to process payments through Stripe seamlessly. If you're using a popular e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, there are plugins available that can make this process even easier. Just install the plugin, enter your API keys, and your store will be ready to accept payments. Remember to test everything in Stripe's test mode before going live to ensure it's working as expected. And there you have it. Your business is now ready to accept payments with Stripe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.